techniques that use for data handling either for electronics way or by the manual way. Understand that it means electronic way is means storing the computer, Google, like, or in drive or in the PCs or in the form of disk. These are the methods of electronic way. And manual way by making the registers. This is the manual way of maintaining the data. Understand, students? Now we are going to learn about the graph. Why the graph is important in data handling? Because graph is the easy way to study the data and to represent the data. For example, if you want the result of any data, if there is a diagrammatic representation, then usually you can read the data instead of in the written form. That's why we are using the graph in the diagrammatic representation. Okay, students? So, first graph we are aware about is pictograph. Pictograph. In pictograph, what is happening? That proper picture is made. The proper picture is made and then it is used to represent. For example, if I want to represent 50 cars, there I can make car shape, and here I can write the scale is equal to 50, sorry, is equal to 10. Like that I can represent 5 cars for representing 50. Like this I can represent 5 cars, which means 50. This is the pictograph. This one is called as pictograph, where I had represented 50 cars using the symbol. 1 car is equal to 10. This one picture is equal to 10 cars, so I had represented it. If someone sees this, it can be read easily. Understand, student? Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So next is bar graph. Bar graph is used for this. You can see that the bar graph is used for learning about the population. 2010 how much population was there, 2020 how much population are there. So what we can do, this like this graph will be there, 2010, 2015, 2020, like this the graph will be there, and then we will be reading. By reading the graph we can understand that by 2020 the population increased. Understand? Their bar graph is used. Next is double bar graph. Double bar graph. How we will be doing double bar graph? If a child is obtaining mark of maths in 2007 and 2008, all subject marks, we will be comparing and saying, here maths. So one transparent box is of 2007, shaded box is of 2008. There you can see that in 2007 he is less and 2008 he had improved. Understand, students? By this graph you can, best example is cricket. In cricket you can compare and see this type of graphs they are using. Understand, students? Next is line graph. Data will be there and they will be showing in the point how it is increasing. COVID. Now current situation, COVID is there. Whenever the number of patients you are searching, you can see that the graph is shown. In March the case was low. Slowly now it is in the high peak. Understand, students? So this graph is used for line graph. Okay, that is used. Next is pictograph. Sorry, circle graph. Circle graph. In circle graph what is happening? The circle is used for showing the portion, for the portion of water and land of earth. There it is clearly shown. If this is the circle, 70% of the earth is covered with water and 30% is covered with land, and mixture of air we had studied in science. So there also that graph circle is shown to show the percentage. Understand, students? So this is the symbolic way of representing the data. Understand? These are the different types. So here you can see that pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph. Circle graph is also called as pie chart. Circle graph is also called as pie chart. double graph, line graph and circle graph. Understand students? Next class. In next class we will be solving with the exercise 5.1. Till that stay safe. Jai Swaminarayan, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.